is for elephant. B is for bumblebee, bumblebee. C is for cricket. D is for damselfly, damselfly. E is for earwig. F is for fly. G is for ground beetle. H is for honeybee. I is for inchworm. J is for jumping spiders. K is for kissing bug. L is for leaf insect. M is for mayfly insect. N is for net, beetle. O is for weaver. P is for praying mantis. Let's sing about insects from A to Z. Tiny and fuzzy, they're fun to see. Clap your hands and sing with me the insect ABC. Q is for queen bee. R is for rainbow, grasshopper. S is for scorpion. T is for tortuous beetle. U is for unicorn beetle. V is for velvet ant, velvet. W is for widow, spider whale. X is for xylocopa bee. Y is for yellow jacket. Z is for zebra butterfly. Now we've sung from A to Z, learning insects joyfully. Let's sing about insects from A to Z. Tiny and fuzzy, they're fun to see. Clap your hands and sing with me the insect ABC.